welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And today we got another watch face by the jeweler. This one is called Jeweler Scorpion. Very nice looking analog watch face, and always on mode. You're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to look super nice for a super casual day. Now when the watch face is on, you get so much features and functions and applications to tap into that I'm not going to be able to go through every single last one of them, but I give you a hint of what you're looking for once you go ahead and download this watch face. Right now, if I double tap, I could set a shortcut. Right, I already did, so let me do it again and start over. There's my shortcuts. That's what I call it. Up at the top, same thing. Get your shortcuts you can set. Then you tap in certain places around the watch face and you can get more information from more applications. And this one is really nice. I mean, if you look at it, it offers a lot for the price. Not bad at all. Trying to get this to change. There you go, right there. Right there. It's kind of hard from behind the camera, but you get it. This is nice. I'm liking it. Change the color. Because this guy always gives you nice designs to change from, right? Very nice. The font, you can change. You gotta check this out, guys. This is nice. You got a nice little moon phase right there. Your steps there. You get your information right there for your seconds. This is nice. Now, what I like about it most of all is that it stands out. Is that it's customizable all over the place. And again, this guy gives you a menu so you can find out exactly where you need to tap into to get to whatever application that you want to get to. This is definitely a super awesome watch face that you don't want to miss out on in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.